In this video, you'll learn how to use the site scanner directly from the iubenda generator to detect services running on your website. From your iubenda dashboard, open your website project. Go to Privacy and Cookie Policy. Click Edit. And then select Add Service. At the top of the Services window, click the Scanner button. Enter your website URL and click Scan. The scanner will analyze your site to detect services and tracking technologies. Once the scan is complete, you'll receive an email highlighting missing services. They'll also appear directly in the generator as perfect matches, ready to be added to your policy. The scanner detects technologies directly installed on your site. If needed, you can also manually add other services. That's it. You can now use the site scanner to quickly identify and add missing services to your policy.